Warm greetings, my dear listener. I am truly happy you are here. Meeting new people in English can feel scary. Many learners feel nervous. The heart beats fast. The words disappear. You want to speak, but fear blocks your voice. You worry about grammar. You worry about accent. You worry about mistakes. I have felt this too. Many learners around the world feel the same. But here is the good news. Meeting new people in English does not require perfect English. It requires simple phrases, friendly energy, and a little courage. Today, you will learn 10 powerful phrases. These phrases open conversations. They build connections. They make you sound natural and confident. As you listen, imagine real situations. A new workplace, a new class, a cafe, a meeting, a trip. You are ready. Let us begin gently. 1. Hi, my name is... This is the most powerful sentence in English. It is simple, it is friendly, it is safe. You use it when you meet someone for the first time. You can use it anywhere. At work, at school, at events, at parties, even online. When you say, "Hi, my name is Alex," you are opening the door. You are saying, "I am friendly." Many learners hesitate here. They think it sounds too simple. But simple is strong. Simple is confident. For example, imagine you walk into a new office. You see a coworker. You smile. You say, "Hi, my name is Sarah." The other person smiles back. The conversation begins. Another example. You join a class. You sit next to someone. You say, "Hi, my name is Daniel." That is enough. No pressure, no grammar stress. This phrase works because it is human. Practice saying it slowly. Clear voice, relaxed smile. This is your first step to confidence. 2. It's great to meet you. This phrase shows warmth. It shows respect. It shows positivity. You use it right after introductions. You can say it after shaking hands, or after someone tells you their name. Learners sometimes avoid this phrase because they feel shy. But this sentence makes you sound polite and kind. For example, someone says, "Hi, I'm Maria." You respond, "It's great to meet you, Maria." Simple. Natural. Another story. You meet a client for the first time. You say, "It's great to meet you." The atmosphere becomes friendly. This phrase builds instant connection. Say it with a gentle smile. Say it slowly. Let your tone show kindness. This phrase makes people feel welcomed. 3. I'm from... This phrase is used to share your background. You can use it when people ask about you, or you can use it to continue conversation naturally. Learners often struggle to explain their background, but this sentence makes it easy. I'm from Kenya. I'm from Brazil. I'm from a small town near Rome. You can keep it short, or add details. For example, I'm from India. I grew up in a busy city. Another example. You meet someone traveling. You say, "I'm from Ethiopia." They may respond with curiosity. This phrase invites questions. It builds cultural connection. Speak proudly. Your background matters. Your story matters. 4. What do you do for a living? This is a common and polite question. It asks about work. You use it in social settings, networking events, new friendships, workplace meetings. Learners often fear this question. They worry about vocabulary. But you can answer simply. I work as a teacher. I'm a student. I work in an office. When you ask this question, you show interest. For example, you meet someone at a conference. You ask, "What do you do for a living?" They answer. The conversation continues. This phrase is not rude. It is normal. Say it gently. Calm tone. Friendly curiosity. 5. How do you like? This phrase asks for opinions. It keeps conversations alive. You can use it about places, jobs, cities, events, food. For example, how do you like this city? Or, how do you like your new job? Learners sometimes avoid opinions because they fear long answers. But answers can be short. I like it. It's interesting. It's challenging but good. This phrase is powerful because it shows interest. It makes the other person talk. It removes pressure from you. Use it often. It is a conversation saver. 6. Nice to meet you. I've heard a lot about you. This phrase sounds professional and polite. You use it when meeting someone indirectly known. A colleague, a friend of a friend, a manager. Learners worry this sounds too advanced. But it is simple. For example, your coworker introduces you to their manager. You say, "Nice to meet you. I've heard a lot about you." This shows respect. Even if you heard little, it is polite language. Use it confidently. It creates a good impression. 7. Where are you from? This phrase invites personal sharing. It is friendly and common. You can use it after introductions or during casual talk. Learners sometimes fear asking personal questions, but this one is safe. For example, you meet someone new. After names, you ask, "Where are you from?" They answer. You can respond, "That's interesting." Or, "I'd love to visit." This phrase builds connection through culture. Ask with curiosity, not interrogation. Soft tone. Smile. 8. How long have you been here? This phrase asks about time. You can use it in cities, jobs, events, countries. For example, how long have you been here? Learners worry about grammar tense, but do not worry. Focus on meaning. Answers can be simple. 2 years. Just a week. Since January. This phrase helps you understand someone's experience. It deepens conversation naturally. 9. Do you come here often? This phrase is friendly and casual. You can use it in cafes, gyms, parks, classes. Learners often hear this in movies. It is real English. For example, you see someone at a coffee shop. You ask, "Do you come here often?" They answer, "Yes, every morning." Conversation flows. This phrase reduces awkward silence. Use it naturally. Do not overthink. 10. What brings you here? This phrase asks about purpose. It sounds curious and polite. You can use it at events, meetings, new places. For example, what brings you here today? The answer could be work, travel, study, interest. Learners sometimes feel this is too advanced, but it is common. Short answers are fine. Work, vacation, learning. This phrase shows interest in the other person's story. It invites sharing. My dear listener, meeting new people in English does not require perfect grammar. It requires courage. These 10 phrases are your tools. Practice them. Speak slowly. Smile. Breathe. You are not weak. You are learning. Every conversation makes you stronger. Keep going. Keep speaking. You are doing better than you think.